The Artemis astronauts just saw something that only a handful of humanity has ever seen, and that's the dark side of the moon. Now, calling it the dark side is a bit of an odd term. It's better termed the far side of the moon, the side that we never see from Earth, because the moon is tidally locked to the Earth, meaning we only ever see the same side, what we call the near side. So it was coined the dark side of the moon on the far side because it was unobservable to humanity, until astronauts were able to fly around and we were able to get satellite images of the surface. But actually that far side or dark side of the moon receives just as much sunlight as the near side or light side of the moon, because as the moon rotates around the Earth, the sunlight is distributed fairly evenly. But it gets more complicated because the dark side or far side of the moon is not even the darker side of the moon in terms of colour. In fact, it is actually the lighter side of the moon because there are different rocks on the surface there versus there are on the near side. So the far side of the moon is not dark in terms of sunlight, it's the same all around the moon, and the far side of the moon is not a dark side of the moon. The rocks are actually lighter on that part of the ground, and the near side of the moon has darker rocks, is seen by Earth, but also receives just as much sunlight. We'll break down the different rocks in another video, but it is kind of cool that the astronauts have only just seen this. They are adding to literally just a few dozen people that have seen the far side of the moon, and that's pretty epic.